back to my channel. My name is Tina and today is Boxycharm Day. I love Boxycharm. It is a monthly subscription service. For $21 a month you get 4, 5, sometimes 6 full-size products, usually name brand or high-end. They're great. So let's check it out what's in my November Boxycharm. I just got it the other day. Their shipping has been a little wonky lately, so let's see what's in my box. First, they always give you a card, and this month's theme is Gold Digger, and then they also give you the prices of everything in the box. And this month we have, the first thing out of here is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. It's a warm tone palette. I've gotten a lot of these lately, so now they're starting to get a little old, but there are some very nice shimmers in here. I will test these out in a minute. Ooh, those shimmers are gorgeous. Look at that. That jasmine, oh my gosh. The shimmers are beautiful. Clove is a matte, also absolutely beautiful. We'll try those out in a second. I got a set of lashes from Lashaholic. They look like this. Those look like very nice lashes. I'm probably not gonna have time to put them on today. Lashes take me a couple minutes and I haven't tried these ones before, so I don't know how long those are going to take. I'm not going to have time to mess with them, I don't think. So then we have some Cover FX drops. I'm going to assume these are in gold. I got a purple set of these drops from these guys, I don't know, last year, and oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. You can use these for so many things, from eyeshadow, you can put it in your foundation, inner corner colors. I put them on my lips before. They're beautiful. Then I've got an eyeliner from Janta Blue. This one is called Starry. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't really like pencil eyeliners. I don't mind gel pencils, but I don't like the sharpening kind so much. They tug on my eyelids and I don't like that. So I'm probably not going to open this. This will go in a giveaway. I'm going to guess that this has shimmers in it because it says Glittering Star Eyeliner. The last thing in here are these gorgeous gold Luxie brushes. Luxie is one of my favorite brand of brushes, and these ones aren't very big, but that is perfect when you're doing super detailed looks. So I'm going to use these and we're going to do a real quick eye look. And I'm sorry, I'm skipping like a couple things out of this box this month. I'm going to use patchouli all over the lid. I don't have any eye primer on. I totally spaced it out. Got to hurry. Wow, this is so pigmented and pretty. Not really the best base shade for me. I'm going to use Cinnamon. This is obviously a holiday palette. And I'm just going to use the same little blending brush and start blending. Wow, these brushes are so defined. I know you can't really see this, but like it goes on from this brush exactly where you put it. So now I'm going to use Clove, which is this matte kind of peachy color. I'm going to use this little tiny blending brush and put that on my outer corner. Wow, these are so pigmented. And I'm just bringing that around the outside of that cinnamon, up here where I'm blending out into that patchouli color. I'm going to grab some NYX glitter glue and put that on my lid. And now I'm going to grab Rose, which is also a shimmer shade. It's in a really pretty pink color. And that is just beautiful. And I'm going to bring that all the way over to almost my inner corner. And I'll use the Cover FX drops on my very inner corner. I'm going to grab Jasmine and put that right in the center of my lid. I'm just using my fingers right now for these shimmers. I've noticed with the NYX glitter glue, they just work best when you use your fingers. So now I'm going to use my concealer. So I'm just going to grab some blush out of a Tarte palette I have sitting here. Let's see what these look like. I'm just going to add a little bit to my cheekbones with my fingers also. It is a little dark for a highlight for me, so I will be going over that with a different one. First, I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm just going to use Poppy and this little tiny angle brush that's in the set. Luxie brushes are just so beautiful. Because I am doing a glowy look, I'm going to use my Candlelight powder. I talked about this powder in a recent video. I haven't used it lately. Kind of forgot I had it. It is an illuminating powder, but it really only picks up illumination if you really pack it on, or you put it on over the top of highlight like I'm doing over this Cover FX drop, and it just really pops that out. And I'm going to use some of my Too Faced powder regular powder on my lower face and nose because this stuff like holds my makeup in place perfectly. I do have this Jaunt Blue lip liner. I had gotten it from Boxycharm a while back. I really like the lip liners. I just don't like pencil eyeliners on my eyes. Unless they're a gel like this one from Smashbox. They just glide on a little easier. And I am such a hurry, it's not even funny. This is potentially one of the worst makeup looks I've done in a long time. Sorry. So I'm going to use my Cover FX drops and my inner corner. As you can see, they are blinding, absolutely blinding drops. And I just put on a drop and then blend with my finger. I'm going to grab some mascara. I'm just using my Smashbox Superfan mascara, which has become a recent favorite. I only have it in this sample size, but it's really good. And last, I'm just going to use a Smashbox Always On lipstick. This is just in a color I use a lot for a super fast look, and that was super fast. I'm sure when edited, this is going to be like the shortest Boxycharm video ever. Let's take a look at the prices of everything. So the Cover FX drops are super pricey. They're 44 bucks. Which is a lot of money, but they do last forever. They're very good and super shimmery. Then we have the Ace Boutique palette. It is $24 and gorgeous. I'm kind of shocked at how good this is. The shadows are sort of soft. I'm noticing that even though I've only used it once, they already have some dents in them, which tells me, you know, they're not going to last super long. These amazing eyeshadow brushes, there's 4 of them. I only use 3. Are $21. Luxie has amazing brushes. They blend like crazy. They do sometimes cause kick up. I don't know if that was the case with those ones or not. The Jaunt Blue eyeliner that I'm saving is only $5. And then the Lashaholic lashes, which I'm also think I'm going to save because I just don't have time today, are $14.99, so $15. I'll stick a thing up telling you how much this was total for 21 bucks a month though. Frankly, that's half the price of this. It's not even the price of this palette here. I don't see how you go wrong. People complain a lot about the variations. I don't know what they thought of the variation I got. I know a lot of times people really complain when they get eyelashes. There are sites dedicated to selling that stuff. If you're thinking about doing Boxycharm because you want to build your collection and it's great for that, I would do that. I'm going to come back to this box later this month and do a holiday look. I just put a little bit of shimmer from Pretty Vulgar in the center of my lips to give it that shine because the matte just wasn't doing it by itself for this look. It's too bright for that. I love Boxycharm. I love everything I got this month. Even the $5 thing, I'll throw that in a box. Somebody else will love that. It's just when you start getting older, using pencils that grab and tug, not for me. That's my thoughts on Boxycharm and this month's Boxycharm and what I got in this month. I'm sorry this video was so rushed. Hopefully I'll be able to come back and do a really good look with that eyeshadow palette to do it justice, and I'll be using those brushes constantly. I'm sure I'll use this a ton, but I won't be using it again as highlight because it is just a little too dark for me. But I am super pale. My guess is, even though it was a little dark for me, for most of you, it'll be gorgeous. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!